really good to be here on your stand at A&B 2018. We're obviously here because of the brand new launch of the livery on the machines. And it's not just the livery as well, though, is it? The machines technically are a little bit different.
Yeah, we've made a huge improvement to the machine, Paul. This is our new D1000 here, which, you know, it's got so many new features on the machine. Thermal compensation on the Y and the Z axis, a new high-speed spindle, through spindle coolant as standard, the brand new Fanuc HMI control system.
So they're pretty well specced up then, aren't they, as machining centres?
Yeah, they've got pretty much every box ticked. They're very loaded.
I do like the new look, but is the machine bigger? It looks bigger.
It looks bigger, but it's actually physically smaller. We can actually get the whole range inside a container now.
Wow, okay. Then this control, there's quite a coup here, isn't there? You're the first to have this Fanuc control as an OEM on your machines.
Yes, we're the first company to produce machines with this new system from Fanuc. The rest of the OEMs should get this machine control sort of towards the end of next year.
Really? So you've got a good head start then on that?
Yeah, we've been developing this with Fanuc for the last 3 years.
And what's different with the control? What's the advancements?
Well, it's their new HMI system. It's got a lot of internal monitoring, a lot more powerful functions. You can full CAD. It's got the manual eye guide system.
It's faster processing times as well.
Yeah, much greater look ahead, faster processing, better block speed. It's a fantastic system.
We've got the 800 here and the 1000. Is there any other models in this range with the new look and the new technical features?
Yeah, we do a D800, which is an 800 travel machine, but it also has the Y and the Z axis travels of the 1000 and the 1250. So there's a great improvement there. We do the 1000 that you can see behind us, and we also do the 1250 as well.
It is an extensive range, and what I do know as well is they sell hundreds of these machines a year, don't they, from Brazil? A very popular brand ROMI is becoming.
Yeah, it's a very, very popular brand. We kind of sell around about 800 machines a year in this particular range.
You mentioned about the spindle speed on this machine. I believe they're direct drives as well now. What about the build of the machine? Has that changed much?
Yeah, internally we've gone to a kind of a V design inside the machine, so it's much more effective for getting swarf out the machine. Both sides of the column, the swarf falls into a swarf screw that pulls the swarf forward, and then it comes out through a conveyor.
You've had a lot of success in the UK market. Do you think this is just going to add to that, these new models and these new expanded offering?
Yeah, I mean, this machine's really going to jump ROMI forward. If you're in the market for a quality VMC, you can't ignore this machine.